Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, and for today's vlog, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano i-test ang engine ng ating lifeboat. Last video, pinakita namin sa inyo paano i-test ang engine ng ating rescue boat. Ngayon naman, itong ating lifeboat. But before that, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod nating mga upload. Bago tayo pumasok para sa engine test ng ating lifeboat, we will ventilate it first before entering. Once na nasa loob na tayo ng ating lifeboat, i-check natin ang fuel oil tank level. Sunod, buksan natin ang storage kung saan makikita ang ating engine para i-check ang mga sumusunod, such as lube oil sump tank level, gearbox lube oil level, fresh water cooling pump tank level. Pagkatapos mag-check at ma-confirm na ang lahat ay nasa normal level, isara natin ang storage ng ating engine. Next, insert battery switch knob and put to on position. You can use either battery number 1 or number 2. At this time, we will use both. Sunod, hold key and point to glow marking position. Red light will appear. If red light marking disappear, turn key to on and put to start marking position. Now our engine starts. Ngayon, i-test natin ang mga ilaw such as compass light, position light na makikita sa labas, cabin light, at ang ating searchlight. Then we will test ahead and astern. And our rudder and to starboard, to port, and back to midship. After checking that all are in good working condition, we can now stop our engine. Hilain lang natin itong choke lever. Once our engine stop, turn key to off position. Then ibalik natin ang battery switch into off. That's all for our lifeboat engine test. Ngayon, i-charge natin ang kanyang battery. It will light yellow once charging and green once na fully charged. At kung may failure, it will light red. At huwag natin kalimutan kung ano ang binuksan at tinanggal natin kanina, ibalik natin ito. So that's it for today's video. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea paano i-test ang engine ng ating lifeboat. Comment down below kung may mga tanong kayo or suggestion. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Stay safe, and God bless.